Hello, I'm Susan Moore at North Colorado Medical Center, Banner Health, and we are delighted there's a new doctor, a new gynecologist, and her name is Dr. Jane Ahn. Welcome to Colorado.
Thank you so much.
Now, you started in a warm climate.
I did.
Born and raised in Phoenix?
Yes.
Yes. And then on to colder.
Much colder.
To
Akron, Ohio.
Okay, and so then back to Colorado. You know, we're just a real perfect combination of winter and summer. I think you're going to love it here. And
Definitely.
We love you here too.
Thank
so
you.
You're a new physician, gynecologist, and we're discussing women's wellness checkups. And some women are like really guilty of never going in and getting these done.
Definitely.
But what do you recommend for a woman who, say, 40s, 50s? Do the checkups vary between the ages, or are there just some standard things that women should always be aware of and take care of?
Well, I think as far as the annual Well Woman exam, I think the misconception is patients think that it's simply just a pap smear, but it's really so much more than that. The annual exam really applies to women of all ages, adolescents to women who are menopausal, and we focus on different concepts based on the age groups, but really there's a lot more going on than just the physical exam. And of course the physical exam is one of the most important things of the evaluation, and we want to assess the overall assessment of the patient, but really there is a tremendous opportunity for counseling and education during these visits.
Nice.
And so it's so important for women to take that little time and really make it in for that annual exam, because number one, we talk about lifestyle, how to maintain a healthy lifestyle for these women. We talk about nutrition, we talk about exercise, we also talk about mental health and psychological well-being, which is a tremendous part of your overall health.
Absolutely.
And of course, we talk about the important physical aspects, like we perform a physical exam, we do a breast exam, the pap smear, which may not apply for all ages, and a pelvic exam as well. As gynecologists, our specialty is female reproductive system.
Sure.
So, our focus is on that, but really there's so much more that's involved. And for a lot of really healthy women, they may not go to the doctors, on a regular basis.
Right. Why would you? You feel fine. But, there's always things here in Colorado. One thing I try to always do is use sunscreen, and when I don't, I worry a little bit about skin cancer. Would that be something that women would talk to you about? Or?
Well, our conversation could certainly start here. I'm no dermatologist, but during our physical exam, we take a general assessment of the patient. So, like you said, in Colorado, the sun is out here probably 360 days out of the year. So that's a really important thing. Another thing that we talk about is sexual health. Oh. And for women, may not be the most comfortable subject to talk about with everyone.
Right.
And so as gynecologists, we build really special relationships with patients so that they're able to talk to us about uncomfortable things that they may not approach their family physician about. So that's an important topic as well.
It's little things that we have to be aware of all the time, and it's not a little thing to have a wellness checkup, but it's awareness, remembering to do that, reminding our friends and our sisters and our mothers to take care of the little things while they're still little.
Definitely. And that is really the focus of the annual exam is prevention and minimizing risk and discovering things when we can still handle them, like you said, when they're little. And I think as women, we wear so many hats. We're somebody's wife, we're somebody's mom, somebody's sister, and we really spread ourselves thin, and we forget about ourselves sometimes. And something as small as an hour annual exam and a yearly mammogram, those are really vital things. And in order for you to be your best for others, you have to be the best for yourself.
That's beautiful. I love that. Once again, welcome to Colorado.
Thank you so much.
We're very excited to have you here, Dr. Ahn, gynecologist, North Colorado Medical Center in Banner Health, and I'm Susan Moore.